Imagine waking up to $1,715 made in a single day from posting videos on Facebook. That's exactly what my client Ryan experienced, and I want to share with you exactly the advice that I gave him to be able to make that type of money in a single day. So let me share with you this great email that I got from one of my clients, Ryan, who says, I have logged in and stayed consistent, and I'm happy to say that thanks to your tips and insights, I finally had my first 1,000 plus day from Instagram ads earnings. It is truly incredible milestone and has only strengthened my resolve to build a successful brand and continue posting content on Facebook. It's crazy how much you can earn on Facebook compared to YouTube. This is something that I experience every single week. A lot of YouTubers don't even realize that you can make more money from Facebook than you can earn on YouTube. And this is the screenshot that he sent me, $1,715.85 in a single day from Facebook. And you might be watching this video asking yourself, can you really make that type of money on Facebook? Well, I'm here to tell you that yes, it is completely possible to make that type of money. I've worked with hundreds of content creators at this point. I've been able to build Facebook pages myself to make $500, even $1,000 in a single day from video content. And it's not luck, it's based on having a plan in place to be able to scale to make that type of money. It is completely possible if you know these three things. First, you have to understand how the Facebook algorithm works. If you want to go viral and make 1,000 plus in a single day, you have to hit a viral video. You got to get over 1 million views on a video, which is not impossible to do. I actually have multiple clients hitting 100, even 200 million views per month. Now, the amount of money you can make from those type of views depends heavily on who's your viewer, what type of content you make, what type of topics, what is the language of your videos. All of that plays a role in how much money you get paid for every 1,000 views. So for example, someone who's getting 100 million views from a US audience might be making 3, 4, 5 times more than someone who's getting 500 million views from an Indian audience. Point number 2 is you have to know how to edit videos for Facebook. A lot of people make the mistake of editing videos the same way they edit videos for YouTube. It's not the same way that you should be editing videos for Facebook. Facebook is all about retention and having people watch your videos. They can easily scroll past your video, and so you want to make sure your video have the higher retention possible. So the way to do that is by having great hooks within the first 5 seconds of your video. You want to have the right format for your videos. You don't want to make your videos the same format as a YouTube video. You also want to have specific components inside of your video that are going to get people to just keep watching your video and not make them extremely long. So for example, I wouldn't recommend, unless you're a podcast or something like that, I wouldn't recommend posting a 45-minute video on Facebook, because honestly, they don't do as well. You want to keep it anywhere from maybe 5 to 10 minutes. At most, you can keep them at 15 minutes if you have a large audience that already enjoys long form content on Facebook. But for 90% of Facebook pages out there, having a 3 to 7 minute video is more than enough to get good retention if you have a good video. And number 3, one big advantage that Facebook offers that a lot of content creators are missing out on is the power of promoting your own videos to existing viewers. So this is one trick that we teach inside of Facebook Income School, which by the way, you can check out in the description below. This is my complete program where I break down exactly how to build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages. And inside this program, I teach you a method to push your videos to go viral. And this is by utilizing Facebook ads. And essentially what you're trying to do is push your videos to existing audiences who have previously watched your other viral videos. So let's say you had a couple videos that had 10,000, 100,000 views, or even 1 million views. Those people are more likely to watch your newer videos, but Facebook might not be promoting your newer videos to those existing people because they might not have been following you already, or perhaps they didn't get a notification, or perhaps the Facebook algorithm is not showing those videos to those people. So the best way to get around that is by just having a very small budget, maybe $10, $15 for a video. And if you want to make sure that a lot of people see that video, you want to push that video to existing audiences who already know who you are and have previously watched one of your videos. That is going to put the video inside of a small pool, which essentially what it does is it tells Facebook, hey Facebook, show this video to to people who might not be following me, but they might have enjoyed one of my previous videos. Perhaps they left a comment, a like, perhaps they shared the video, and now you're showing them a brand new video that perhaps they haven't seen yet. So by just pushing that video to that viewer, he might be engaged once again. And if you get lots of engagement on your newest video, then Facebook will continue to promote your video organically from that point on. So reinvesting some of your revenue back into your page is always a good idea. I don't know why this is something that a lot of content creators are afraid to do, but what I recommend is that you reinvest somewhere between 10 to 15% of your revenue back into either growing your followers, making sure you get the best type of followers possible for your page, getting tier 1 audiences, meaning US, UK, Australia, Canada. Followers from those countries will help you increase your RPM, which essentially are gonna help you make more money from your videos. We're not talking about spending $1,000 per day or even $1,000 per month. We're talking about taking a small percentage of your revenue and reinvesting into maybe 1 or 2 videos per week to help boost those videos to be shown to people who might enjoy some of your previous videos. And so by just doing that, the algorithm is gonna help you push some of those videos to go viral. Not every video is gonna go viral, but if you use this strategy, you increase the chances of going viral because you're showing your video to people who have already shown interest in your content. So this is the exact advice that I gave my client, and I show him how to do this stuff and how he can implement some of these techniques with his own Facebook page. He took that, and as you can see, he made over $1,000 in a single day following this advice. So listen, if you want to learn how to build your own Facebook page and grow it to 10, 15, 20,000 followers or more, and hopefully get it monetized in less than 90 days, make sure you check out Facebook Income School in the description below. I have hundreds of testimonials from people who have taken this training and have been able to make a full-time income from Facebook following this training. Or if you're a full-time YouTuber or content creator, you want to know how to scale and make more money from your videos, and you want to utilize Facebook as another revenue stream, and you want my help over the next several weeks to help you implement a strategy that can help you scale your revenue and make more money from your content, check out the link in the description below if you want to apply to work with me one-on-one. I hope you gained some value from this video, and if you want to find out the new changes of Facebook monetization this year, then go ahead and check out this video right here where I break down all the new changes and the monetization tools that Facebook is offering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.